Namaste dear children, welcome to Rega's Knowledge Hub. Today we will see some problems from knowing our numbers. First one, a book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all 4 days. So, number of tickets sold on first day is 1094. Number of tickets sold on second day 1812. Number of tickets sold on third day 2050. Number of tickets sold on fourth day equal to 2751. So, total number of tickets sold on all 4 days is equal to add 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. So, after adding these numbers we will get 7707. So, 7707 tickets were sold. Next question. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? So, Shekhar already scored 6,980 runs. Then he wants to complete how many runs? 10,000 runs. He wants to complete 10,000 runs. So, runs needed to score more is equal to 10,000 minus 6,980. 6,980 runs he already scored. So, runs needed to score more is equal to 10,000 minus 6,980, that is equal to 3,020. So, he needs 3,020 more runs to score. Okay. Next one. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? So, number of votes secured by the successful candidate is 5,77,500. The number of votes secured by his rival is 3,48,700 votes. So, margin by which he won the election is 5,77,500 minus 3,48,700, that is 2,28,800 votes. So, the successful candidate won the election by 2,28,800 votes. Move on to next question. Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? Price of books sold in the first week of June is how much? 2,85,891. Then what's the price of books sold in the second week of June? It is how much? 4,768.
Then how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? How much? 2,85,891 plus 4,768. What's the answer? 6,86,659. Okay. The next one, in which week was the sale greater? Here it is 2 lakh. In the first case it is 2 lakh. Second case it is 4 lakh. Which one is greater? 4 lakh. So definitely the second week of June has more sale. Okay. The sale of books is the highest in the second week. Then what's the next question? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? How do you find the answer? Find the difference in sale in both weeks. That is 4,768 minus 2,85,891. What's the answer? 1,14,877. Okay. So sale in the second week was greater by rupees 1,14,877 than in the first week. Next one. Find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4 and 3 each only once. So here the digits given are 6, 2, 7, 4 and 3. Okay. Then we have to find the greatest and the least 5-digit number using these digits. But the condition is the digits must appear only once. That is repetition not allowed. Okay. So how do you find the greatest 5-digit number? Here we have how many digits? 5 digits. So what you should do? Just write the digits in the descending order. Then we will get the greatest 5-digit number. Okay. So the greatest 5-digit number is 76,432. Just write the digits in the descending order. Then how do you find the smallest 5-digit number? Just write the digits in the ascending order. Okay. So the least 5-digit number is 23,467. Then next step is we have to find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number. So write the difference between these two numbers. That is 76,432 minus 23,467. What's the answer? 52,965. Okay. Next one. A machine on average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? So how many screws the machine manufactures a day? 2,825. So number of screws manufactured in a day is 2,825. Then how many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? How do you find? In January, how many days are there? There are 31 days in January. So how many screws are manufactured in the month of January? You have to multiply 2,825 by 31. So 31 into 2,825. What's the answer? 87,575. Okay. So the machine produced 87,575 crores in the month of January 2006. Children, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We will see in the next video.